Hello and welcome to BoloSign. In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing form responses in Google Sheet with BoloSign's resynchronized sheet feature. Let's quickly get started and see how it will work. As you can see that I've already created a form, I will just click on Actions and Edit Form. Once the form has been opened in the editor, you just have to click on responses and then link to sheets. There are two options provided. Either you can create a new spreadsheet or the select the existing spreadsheet. For now, I will just click on create a new spreadsheet. Create. And this particular form responses has been linked to my sheet. If I'll just click on view in sheets, as you can see, there are 6 responses which I've already received from this particular form. But if I'll click on my sheet, as you can see that there is no responses that has been populated to my sheet. So you just have to go back to your form and just click on this resynchronize response to spreadsheet. If you just click on this, within seconds your entire sheet will be populated with the responses. Now if you again click on your sheet, and we'll just click on this Boloform signature one sheet. As you can see that all my responses has been populated to my sheet. So this feature is very helpful. If you're not able to see your missing responses, you just have to click on this resynchronize sheet feature, and your all the form responses will be populated to your sheet. So this way you can see all your missing form responses in your Google Sheet with just one click. So there is one more ability of this feature. I'll show you how you can do that. If you'll go back to your dashboard and we'll just click on the responses. If you delete any of the responses from here, and we'll just click on delete. If you'll just click on the refresh button, so you can see that one of the response which I have deleted has been removed from the dashboard. Now if you'll go and check your sheet, there are around 5 responses only, which there are around 6 responses only. So that means that one response which I have deleted from the dashboard is not being deleted here. So what you have to do is you just have to go back to your form. I will just click on this edit form. You again have to go back to your form and click on responses. And again, you have to click on this resynchronize sheet feature. There is a note which you have to keep in mind. Once you have used the feature, again, after 5 minutes, again, you can use this feature after 5 minutes. Before that, this feature will not work. So you have to wait for at least 5 minutes so that this feature can be worked again. Okay, so the time of 5 minutes has been up. Now, if I'll just click on this resynchronize response to spreadsheet, and within seconds, the spreadsheet has been resynchronized successfully. Now, if I'll just check back to my sheet, as you can see that there are only 5 responses. Before that it was 6. Now the sheet has been populated and the deleted response has been removed from my sheet. So this feature ensures that no missing responses, accurate and up to date data, easy form management, and time saving automation. Thank you.